Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. If you're new, welcome. And my name is Jasmine. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, also invite you to subscribe. And if you're not new, well, I'm glad you're back. So I'm so excited to share all those good savings starting on the ad that starts this Sunday, February 10th. And the first thing I'm going to go over is the Softsoap. If you just get one, it will be 99 cents. But if you do have any CRTs that has to do with body wash, it will make it even a sweeter deal, meaning it will be free, depending on the CRT that you do have. So what you could do is buy two for $3.49 each. Use two coupons that we're expecting on the insert this Sunday and use that CRT. I'll show you an example. This one came out at the end of my receipt, deducting 2 off 6 body wash. So you pay $3.48, you get back $3.50. Making it free. So that's a pretty good deal. So just look out, scan your card to see which CRTs you do get. And I noticed the more transactions I do, the more coupons I'm getting at the end of my receipt. And as you can see, this was one of them. The other deal that will be free and a little bit of moneymaker would be the Maybelline. This is if you have this CRT that everybody got last week. If you haven't used it, this will make it free and a moneymaker. So what you could do is buy the single eyeshadow and the Snapscara, which is the new mascara. You could use a coupon deducting for the eyeshadow, one for the mascara, and that CRT. You pay $4.78. You get back 5 ECB, making it free, and 22 cents moneymaker. I'm just including an item there just in case you want to try out a new product and if you have that CRT. So if you still have that CRT and you just want some nice moneymaker to help with your total, what you could do is buy one of the single eyeshadow and the cheapest mascara they do have, that is usually for $5.99. Use the same coupons that I mentioned and also that CRT. You pay $2.98. After all those coupons have been deducted, but then at the end of your receipt, you receive $5, making it free, and $2.02 moneymaker, which is a pretty good deal. And that is if you still have that CRT, or if you have any CRTs that has to do with cosmetics, you could use it on this deal as well. So continuing on the ad, you will see that Colgate is a hot offer. And it's on special, and it's mentioning a coupon that we're getting this Sunday. But if you was able to scan this coupon on your app, or if you was able to print it, this will be a nice money maker as well. So you could buy 2 of the Colgate Optic White, use that printable. You pay $2.98, you'll get back 4 ECB, making it free, and $1.02 money maker. I just saw in my Ibotta app there is a cash back for a Colgate Optic White, and I believe it says any. So if you're able to do this deal, scan the Colgate Toothpaste in once you're making the payment, and make sure to see if that is part of the offer, and it will be a really nice money maker with that Ibotta cash back. So continuing with the ad, this is something else that I saw for NYX. If you do have this CRT for cosmetics, it will make it free. So what you could do is buy 2 of the lip that is going to be on special for $11.98. Use this CRT, so you pay $9.98. You get back 10 ECB, making it free. So this is a deal that we sometimes see a few times throughout the year, and this is a pretty good deal if you do have that CRT. So and even if you don't have that CRT, just 99 cents for this lipstick is pretty good. So continuing on, the best deal that we have is this is any Joa Cosmetics. Joa is a K-beauty, Korean beauty inspired. I have tried some of these products. They're pretty good and they're very affordable. There's one that I did not like at all. That was a setting spray, so I'm not even going to promote that at all. So you could get one of the lip liner that for $3.99, and you could also get the lipstick, which is pretty nice too. That will be a total of $10. You get so that's how much you will pay. You get back 7 ECB, making it $1.49 for each item. But if you want to get something more affordable and something more pricey, or just one item, you could get their palette. They have a few eyeshadow palette for $9.99. So you could get that item, and that's how much you will pay. You get back 10 ECB, making it just $2.99 for an eyeshadow palette, which is a pretty good deal, especially that the palettes normally are this price, $10 or even $13. Even Physicians Formula new palette is about $18. So that's a pretty good deal. This is a very interesting deal. It's saying that instantly we're going to be getting some type of deducting 10 off 30 for most L'Oreal items. So this is an idea that I'm trying to come up with adding worth of $30 and using some coupons that we're expecting this Sunday, as well as if that $10 deduction is a CRT, including it on this total. So you could buy 4 of the hair care. It could be the hair care, the styler. Just make sure that the items that you do get match the deal. And also you're able to use different type of coupons since the limit is of 1. And you buy 2 of the hair color. So you already reached $33 there. You're going to use that coupon that we're expecting this Sunday deducting 4. And there's going to be another coupon deducting of 2. If you have any other one in your app, you could use it as well. But I didn't include it in case. And you could use one for the hair color deducting 5 and the one that's going to deduct 10. You receive 10 ECB, making it 33 cents for each of those items. So that's a pretty good deal. This is just an idea, but you could just mix and match depending on the coupons that you do have and even on those coupons you have in the app. This deal is for early activation because the coupon does expire on Saturday. So if you're able to do this on that day, and then you have this CRT that I didn't mention with the Softsoap because you want to use it on this deal. This is what you could do. Buy 2 for $10. Use 2 coupons. The limit is 2, so you could use 2, and you can use that CRT for the body wash. You pay $5.50. You get back 2 ECB, making it $1.75. I did see a cashback for Ibotta, but it's focusing more on hair care products. So, but I did see one that it was hair care and body wash. So if that is included, then just check your Ibotta on Sunday to scan it to see if that offer, you will get the cash back. So continuing with, this is a really nice moneymaker and a good deal. Make sure you do have this CRT. This was printing this week. So you could buy 2 of the whole blends, the Garnier. And we're expecting a coupon as well this Sunday, deducting of 3. And that's CRT that everybody got. So from $7, you pay $1. You get back 2 ECB when you buy 2, making it free, and $1 moneymaker. This is a really easy deal. So just make sure you do scan your card if you haven't done so you don't miss on this deal. In case you're starting or you want to purchase some CoverGirl cosmetics, I'm including here a mascara and the one that you sometimes see a lot, which is the brow pencil, just to reach $15. And since you do need to reach 15 to get the 7 ECB, you could get 2 of the brow pencil and 1 of the mascara or any other item you want. Just want to make sure that you do reach $15. Use 3 coupons that are deducting $2. And also, if you have any CRT for cosmetics, you could do that as well. But if you get any other CRT for CoverGirl, it will make it even better. So that's why I'm including it, because sometimes we get some good CRTs on Sunday. So you get back 7 ECB and your total will be 50 cents each item. The next deal is for Tresemme Premium or Dove Dermacare Hair Care. So the offer that I'm sharing is the one for Tresemme, what you could do is buy 4 for $20 because you do need to spend 15 to get the 5 ECB. You can use 2 coupons that came on Retail Me Not January 27, and it's going to deduct $4, so deduct 8 once you use 2. And if you have any CRTs that has to do with Tresemme or for hair care, they'll deduct 3. So you pay $9, you get back 5 ECB, making it $1 for each item. So just see which other CRTs you may have. This one is, I'm putting early activation because it will be a free item if once you submit it to Ibotta. Ibotta, at least from my end, I seen that it expires on Saturday. So if yours expire on Saturday, which I believe that's the case, then then you could do early activation, buy 2 of these products. It will be $14. Use 1 coupon that we're expecting on Sunday. That's if you're able to get the coupon early as well. Then you can use that coupon. You don't get any ECBs, so you'll pay $6. You could submit your receipt to Ibotta and you will get back 6 ECB. You get back 6 and cash back for Ibotta, making it free. So this is only if it's activated and available on Saturday. So this is another deal. I'm including it because sometimes we also get some good CRTs for mouthwash. So what you could do is buy a Colgate Total mouthwash for $3.99. You could use a coupon from Smart Source to 3. And you will pay $2.99. You get back 2 ECB, making it will be just 99 cents for that offer. So the next thing I want to share with you is the Halls cough drops. There's 2 different options, but the one that the coupon and the deal will be the best deal will be the 25 to 30 count. So what you could do is buy 2 for $4, as you can see in the ad. You could use a coupon that we're expecting this Sunday that will deduct $1.25. So you pay $2.75. You get back to ECB at the end of that receipt, making it just 75 cents for both bags or 38 cents each. So that is really a good deal. Irish Spring body wash or bar soap, it has to be 6-pack. It's going to be on special for $3.99, and it does say that you need to buy 3 in order for you to get the 5 ECB. If you have any body wash CRTs, this will make it a really good deal. What you could do is buy 3. Use 3 coupons that we're expecting this Sunday. So you deduct $3. If you have that CRT, it'll deduct 2. So you pay $6.97, you get back 5, making it $1.97 or 66 cents each. The next deal is pretty easy to do. It's similar to the next lip that I mentioned earlier. This one is also for $11.98. So you do have the CRT for cosmetics, as you can see in the picture. You get to decide where do you want to use it. Do you want to use it on this product, on the NYX, or any other cosmetics? You could buy 2. You use that CRT. You pay $9.98. You get back a ECB, making it 99 cents for each. That is including that CRT. This one is a pretty good deal to do, and this coupon is available. This is a very high value coupon, so if you don't have any inserts or you're limited on the coupons you could get, this is perfect for you to print it since it's new. I'm going to provide that in the box below. So what you could do is buy 2 of the body lotion. Just look for you to look for the one that's $4.99 or any of the ones that you may like. Use this coupon deducting 4. Get back 5 ECB, making it 49 cents, but it also depends the price on your store for the lotion, creme, or the oil. So the next deal is Chic. This is also if you have any type of CRTs, there is coupons available for you to print. What you could do is buy 2 since you do need to spend 15 to get 5, and they're all going to be, as you see on the ad, they're going to be on special for $9.99. So you can use 2 coupons deducting 4, and any CRTs that you may have. We sometimes get CRTs for Chic or for razors. You pay $7.98, you get back 5, making it $1.49. This is a lot of mix and match you could do. These are just some deal ideas that I'm just putting together. In case you do have the Tide coupons, you could actually print a coupon for 3 in the PNG site, and you could combine it since it's limit of 1. So you could buy 2 Head and Shoulders and 2 of the Tide Pods. You will reach the $20. Use those coupons that I mentioned. Any CRTs for hair, you pay $8.63, making it 91 cents each. This is another idea by getting 2 of the Tide Pods and getting 4-pack of waters. I love getting this deal of water when you do get any ECBs back. So I just wanted to show you another idea. Buy 2 of the Tide Pods for the waters. Use the coupons from last week if you do have the Tide Pods, and also you could go to PNG site to get another of $3. You pay $13.84. You get 5, making it $1.47 each. So that's a pretty good deal as well. So I wanted to share with you those best deals that we're expecting this Sunday. As you can see, there's many of them that are free Moneymaker, but it all depends also of those CRTs that you may have. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You're getting ready for your haul. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.